Perma-Beads are a direct replacement for sand in any make or model sand filter. Perma-Beads eliminate the clogging, compaction, and channeling found with sand while providing superb water quality. Perma-Beads are sinking beads and no plumbing changes are needed for installation. Just take out the sand and pour in the Perma-Beads. Perma-Beads never need replacement and are still providing superb water quality and thousands of filters after over 20 years of constant use. In filter mode, water and dirt are sprayed onto the top of the filter bed. With sand, the small spaces between the flat sand grains quickly fill with dirt, and a sticky biofilm soon grows to cover all sand grains. Soon, all of the spaces between the sand are filled with dirt and sticky biofilm, and the filter becomes a solid block with channels driving dirty water through the filter and back into the pond. With Perma-Beads, their spherical shape provides optimal space between beads to capture large amounts of dirt, yet minimal points of contact between beads. In backwash mode, the water is pumped from the bottom of the filter and exits from the top, taking the dirt with it to waste. With Perma-Beads, their super slippery surface properties and spherical shape allow them to quickly become fluidized and release all of the trapped dirt out of the filter. With sand, the biofilm has glued the sand grains together and the water channels up through the clogged filter, pumping lots of water but only very small amounts of dirt out of the filter. As you can see, backwashing with Perma-Beads takes much less time and water to backwash effectively and can quickly restart the filtration process. However, the waste trapped between the sand grains cannot be backwashed from the clogged filter, but is still in the system and continues to degrade the water quality. Also, the trapped waste can become a reservoir for the pathogens as well as toxic anaerobic bacteria. These short backwashes, often only 20 to 30 seconds, save thousands of gallons of water over time and help stabilize water quality. Perma-Beads never need to be replaced and have been in continuous use in thousands of filters for over 20 years. Call or email today for a quote to see how Perma-Beads can save you time, money, and frustration with your filter.